1. 1949 Hudson. Price: $2,500. Located in Montclair, California. The 1949 Hudson is offered for sale at a price of $2,500 and is located in Montclair, California. This classic American automobile has approximately 111,111 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a burgundy exterior, the vehicle retains its original engine, making it an appealing option for collectors who appreciate authenticity. According to the seller, this Hudson is intended as a restoration project and is best suited for enthusiasts who enjoy bringing vintage automobiles back to life. Although additional details are limited, the presence of the original powertrain provides an excellent foundation for a faithful restoration. Its timeless styling and historical significance make it a rewarding project for anyone interested in preserving classic American automotive heritage. With an affordable asking price and strong restoration potential, this 1949 Hudson offers an opportunity to create a unique collector's vehicle. Whether restored to original specifications or carefully preserved, it can become a standout classic admired by enthusiasts for many years to come. 2. 1954 Ford F-350. Price: $6,500. Located in Carson, California. The 1954 Ford F-350 is available at a price of $6,500 and is located in Carson, California. This classic heavy-duty pickup has approximately 100,000 miles, a manual transmission with a granny gear, and is powered by a dependable 302 Windsor gasoline engine. Finished in a green exterior with a black interior, the truck runs and drives according to the seller, making it an attractive option for vintage truck enthusiasts. The owner is open to trade offers or trades combined with cash, especially for smaller classic trucks from Ford, Chevrolet, GMC, or Dodge. Willys Jeep trucks and Volkswagen Type 2 panel vans or single cab models are also considered. With its strong mechanical setup, classic styling, and practical flatbed configuration, this 1954 Ford F-350 offers excellent versatility for restoration, shows, or regular weekend use. Whether kept as a dependable vintage work truck or transformed into a custom classic, it provides outstanding potential for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 3. 1948 Chevrolet. Price: $4,000. Located in Bellflower, California. The 1948 Chevrolet is offered for sale at a price of $4,000 and is located in Bellflower, California. This classic American vehicle is presented as a restoration project, making it an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts who enjoy rebuilding vintage automobiles. Although the seller provides only limited information, the listing clearly identifies the car as a project vehicle, allowing the next owner to restore it according to personal preferences and goals. Classic Chevrolet models from the late 1940s remain highly appreciated for their timeless styling, durable construction, and collectible appeal. Whether the objective is a factory-correct restoration or a customized classic build, this vehicle offers a solid starting point for an exciting project. Its affordable asking price makes it accessible for hobbyists and collectors seeking a rewarding restoration experience. With dedication, mechanical expertise, and attention to detail, this 1948 Chevrolet has the potential to become a beautiful classic that proudly represents an important era of American automotive history and craftsmanship. 4. 1968 Mercedes-Benz 230. Price: $7,500. Located in La Palma, California. The 1968 Mercedes-Benz 230 is offered for sale at a price of $7,500 and is located in La Palma, California. This elegant classic sedan has 91,260 miles, an automatic transmission, and a reliable 2.3-liter inline six-cylinder gasoline engine. Finished in a white exterior with a black interior, the vehicle has had 3 or more previous owners and is fully paid off with a clean title. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well while maintaining its original Mercedes-Benz styling and exceptional build quality. Additional features include 4 good tires and a backup camera for added convenience. Its solid body, comfortable interior, and timeless appearance make it an excellent choice for weekend cruises, classic car shows, or a growing collection. Cash offers only are accepted, and no trades are considered. With its elegant design, dependable performance, and increasing rarity, this 1968 Mercedes-Benz 230 represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors seeking a well-preserved vintage European automobile with lasting appeal. 5. 1968 Ford Mustangs, 2 vehicles. Price: $1. Located in Long Beach, California. The pair of 1968 Ford Mustangs is offered for sale at a price of $1 and is listed in Long Beach, California, with the vehicles currently being transported from Coupland, Texas. These original barn-find Mustangs are numbers-matching classics, making them highly desirable for serious collectors and restoration enthusiasts. One car features a matching 289 V8 engine, while the second includes a matching 302 V8 drivetrain. Both vehicles retain their original engine identification, chassis numbers, and important factory components, including seat frames and drivetrain parts. Years of storage have preserved much of their originality, although restoration will be required before returning them to the road. The seller plans to bring both cars to Southern California and will contact interested buyers who provide a phone number to arrange a viewing. With their authentic numbers-matching status, historical significance, and strong restoration potential, these vintage Ford Mustangs represent an exceptional opportunity for dedicated collectors searching for rare American classics. 6. 1977 Triumph Spitfire. Price: $1,100. Located in Los Angeles, California. The 1977 Triumph Spitfire is available for sale at a price of $1,100 and is located in Los Angeles, California. This classic British convertible has approximately 50,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a blue exterior with a black interior, the vehicle comes with a clean title and is reported to have no significant body damage or major structural problems. According to the seller, the Spitfire previously ran very well and even earned an award before being placed into storage several years ago. It no longer starts because it has remained unused, making it an ideal restoration project for enthusiasts familiar with vintage British sports cars. The seller also notes that the actual mileage is unknown despite the recorded figure. With its lightweight design, classic roadster styling, affordable asking price, and rewarding restoration potential, this 1977 Triumph Spitfire offers an excellent opportunity to revive a charming classic and enjoy open-air driving once again. 7. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price: $3,900. Located in Bellflower, California. The 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is offered for sale at a price of $3,900 and is located in Bellflower, California. This classic Mustang has 69,900 miles, a manual transmission, and a dependable 6-cylinder gasoline engine. Finished in a gold exterior with a black interior, the car runs and drives well according to the seller. Several important components have already been replaced, including the brake hoses, brake cylinders, carburetor, and fuel pump, making it a promising project with useful recent maintenance. The vehicle is currently out of the DMV system and will be sold with a duplicate title and bill of sale. The seller is accepting offers above $3,500. With its iconic first-generation Mustang styling, solid mechanical condition, and affordable asking price, this coupe offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a rewarding restoration or enjoyable weekend cruiser. Its timeless design and strong collector appeal make it a worthwhile addition to any classic car collection. 8. 1957 Ford Club Wagon. Price: $4,500. Located in West Covina, California. The 1957 Ford Club Wagon is available for sale at a price of $4,500 and is located in West Covina, California. This rare four-door classic station wagon has approximately 18,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. Finished in a distinctive pink exterior, the vehicle comes with a clean title and is reported to have no significant damage or major problems. According to the seller, the original engine turns over, the original transmission remains installed, and all major parts are included with the vehicle, including the factory hubcaps. The asking price is negotiable, giving interested buyers additional flexibility. With its unique styling, originality, and complete collection of components, this Ford Club Wagon offers an excellent foundation for restoration or preservation. Classic station wagons from the 1950s continue to attract collectors because of their rarity and timeless appearance. This 1957 Ford Club Wagon provides a wonderful opportunity to own an uncommon piece of American automotive history. 9. 1979 milligrams Midget Convertible. Price: $2,500. Located in Los Angeles, California. The 1979 milligrams Midget Convertible is offered for sale at a price of $2,500 and is located in Los Angeles, California. This classic British roadster has 62,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a gasoline engine. The vehicle is fully paid off and comes with a clean title. Finished in black with a matching black interior, it has been stored since June 2025 and is currently a non-running restoration project. According to the seller, the engine was rebuilt by a previous owner, although documentation is unavailable. The transmission feels good, while the brakes, steering, and suspension appear solid overall. The body is straight with no rust, the glass is in good condition, and the wheels and tires remain usable. Several mechanical and cosmetic items require attention before the car can return to the road. With its affordable price, classic British styling, and solid restoration foundation, this MG Midget offers excellent potential for enthusiasts seeking a rewarding vintage project. 10. 1966 Pontiac Catalina. Price: $4,995. Located in Glendale, California. The 1966 Pontiac Catalina is available at a price of $4,995 and is located in Glendale, California. This classic two-door fastback American muscle car has 55,617 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline engine. The vehicle comes with a clean title and is reported to have no significant structural damage. According to the seller, it retains its original engine and transmission while running and driving well. The Catalina is smog-exempt and legally grandfathered without requiring factory seatbelts. It includes the original bumpers, chrome trim, and spare tire, making it an appealing choice for collectors. The seller notes that the interior requires reupholstery and the exterior would benefit from fresh paint, although there is no major rust on the floors or body. The vehicle is being sold as is and will need to be towed from the property. With its classic styling and solid mechanical condition, this Pontiac offers outstanding restoration potential and long-term collectible value. 11. 1983 Nissan Z Sport Coupe 2D 280ZX. Price: $3,850. Located in North Hollywood, California. The 1983 Nissan Z Sport Coupe 2D is offered for sale at a price of $3,850 and is located in North Hollywood, California. This classic Nissan 280ZX has approximately 130,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a gasoline engine. According to the seller, the car runs well and has recently received several important upgrades, including a rebuilt transmission completed 4 months ago, a new water pump, fresh carpet, and a new headliner. The registration is valid through April 2026, and the vehicle has already passed its smog inspection. The seller notes that the brakes occasionally stick, although the car remains drivable, making it a suitable weekend cruiser or light restoration project. A clean title is included, and only serious buyers are encouraged to inquire. Combining iconic Japanese sports car styling, recent mechanical improvements, and an affordable asking price, this 1983 Nissan 280ZX offers excellent value for enthusiasts seeking a classic performance coupe with lasting appeal.